Welcome. If you want to connect with friends and family on Telegram, allowing the app to access your contacts is the easiest way. This ensures Telegram can show you which of your contacts are already using the app, making it simple to start chatting right away. Here's the updated step-by-step guide to enable contacts access for Telegram on your phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is the hub for managing all your device's configurations, and it's usually represented by a gear icon. Once inside Settings, scroll through the menu and look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management. The exact name may vary depending on your device, but it's where you'll find a list of all installed applications. Next, in the Apps list, scroll down or use the search bar to find Telegram. Tap on Telegram to open its app-specific settings. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to how Telegram interacts with your device. Now, look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on it to view all the permissions Telegram can request, such as access to your camera, microphone, and of course, contacts. Within the Permissions menu, find Contacts. If it's not already set to Allow, tap on it and choose Allow to grant Telegram access to your contacts list. This step is crucial because it lets Telegram sync with your phone's address book, making it easier to see who you already know on the platform. Once you've allowed contacts access, you can close the Settings app, open Telegram, and you should now see your contacts who are already on Telegram, making it seamless to start new conversations or invite friends to join. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you've enabled Telegram to access your contacts, making your messaging experience more connected and convenient. If you ever want to adjust these permissions, just revisit the same steps in your phone's settings. Happy chatting!